I'm Eddie, and this is Anna, our bride-to-be, and we're gonna show you how to create this beautiful luminous bridal look. Congratulations on your engagement. Tell me a little bit about your wedding.
So I'm getting married in the Amalfi Coast.
Ooh, and what was the inspiration to go to Italy?
My fiance and I actually went to the Amalfi Coast last summer, and that's kind of when we figured out that we wanted to get married. So it just kind of felt natural, and we're really playing off the lemons of the Amalfi Coast and bringing in that whole theme.
Oh, this is incredible. Tell me about your makeup aesthetic. What's the look you want to achieve?
Something very natural, making sure that I feel like myself on that day, but enhanced, something like shimmery as well.
So let's play with a couple different options. We'll start with the skin.
How do I get my skin to look so glowy and pretty on the day of?
I highly recommend using Future Skin under your eyes before concealer.
Awesome.
This basically will help camouflage any kind of sunken in looks. It'll give you a little bit of volume and also brighten. It's almost like pre-concealer. What I like about Future Skin is that it's water-based. It won't ever feel heavy. So just kind of start around here. Just do a little bit around the cheeks, around the eyes. Ooh, so pretty. Next, must have, would be the Camo Pen. I love this product because it adds a beautiful amount of brightness around the eyes. So just a couple dots. I actually do like to do a little bit around the lip. I'm going to take my foundation and mask brush, and I'm going to just tap over it. I focus on the side of the nose, and I blend outwards onto the cheek, and a little bit towards the temples. I'm gonna use Lively Cheek Gelée. I love the formula. It adds volume while adding luminosity to the cheeks. This is so natural. I actually like to put a little bit on the cheekbones, and then I put a little bit on the brow bone as well. Just a little bit goes a long way. Alrighty, so time for eyes. So what I'm gonna do is apply Mermaid eye shade. This will create a luminous finish to the eyes with a bit of a golden pearl. I will just go right across her eyelids, and then I'm gonna blend it up to the crease of the eye. And I'm just creating a soft, luminous halo around the eyes. Always start on the outsides of the eye and blend inward. That just frames the eye so subtly, but it makes a big difference in photos.
That's important.
Right? Yes. To create a nice wide open eye, contrast at the lash line is a must. What I like about Luster Glide is that it won't melt all over your face. It really sets. Just going to extend out a little bit. I'm actually just pushing at the lash line. Last but not least, mascara. What I love about Faux Cils mascara is that it smells like roses.
Oh my gosh.
It smells good. Don't forget these little lashes in the front.
How do I keep my makeup looking like this all day?
My recommendation is our HD loose powder. This is something you give it a little whack, and then the product collects here. Then you just buff it all over the skin. This will take away shine and keep your foundation looking fresh all day. I'm going to introduce you to this color called Honeypot. The lip veils are enriched with baobab oil, so they stay really hydrated. This formula is great for also brightening up the cheeks.
I love a dual purpose.
Do a little bit like that, and then you just blend in with your finger.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love it.